This unit addresses fuel temperature and its three indicators. Fuel temperature affects the amount of heat energy and time it takes for fuels to ignite. It also contributes to fuel availability. It is particularly important in fuel types that are dominated by fine fuels. The three indicators of fuel temperature that you need to pay attention to include high temperatures, normally greater than 85 degrees, a high percentage of fuels with direct exposure to the sun, aspects where fuel temperature is increasing. It is critical to monitor the first indicator, high temperatures that are greater than 85 degrees Fahrenheit. High temperatures will increase the flammability of fine fuels and the potential rate of spread. However, temperatures lower than 85 degrees combined with low relative humidity can also increase fire behavior. To monitor temperature, take weather readings on a regular basis using a belt weather kit or other equipment. The next indicator is high percentage of fuels with direct sun exposure. These fuels will have accelerated drying rates because of the higher fuel temperature and lower fuel moisture. This can increase fuel flammability, especially fine fuel flammability, and increase fire spread. Be observant. When on the fire line, look for fuels, especially fine fuels, that are in direct sunlight and anticipate what may happen if fire moves into these fuels. You should also look at the aspect of the slope when considering fuel temperature. As a day progresses, slopes may be shaded or in direct sunlight depending on their aspect. The fuels on slopes in direct sunlight will have higher fuel temperature, which increases the risk of hazardous fire behavior. When you are on the fire line, pay attention to aspect and anticipate fuel temperature based on sunlight exposure. When scouting the fire, look for fuel temperature indicators. Think about how these indicators may change as the day progresses. Continue building your mental model of the fire. We have just covered three indicators of fuel temperatures. High temperatures, normally greater than 85 degrees, a high percentage of fuels with direct exposure to the sun, aspects where fuel temperature is increasing.